Welcome to this tutorial about the basic principles of AutomationML. In this tutorial, I want to demonstrate you how to use the AML library space.
An AML library space is a certain space in the internet where somebody has published a library. It might be a standard library. The AutomationML Association has published its libraries there. You find it here. File, add reference from AML library space. In this dialog, you can choose from the library space you want to. Here you can find all the library spaces and you can filter them by domains, producer and edition. And here I select the latest AutomationML based library. I can get a preview here from that and I can make a reference to this library. And so I have access to this library from the space now. This is a perfect way to reuse existing libraries and to distribute it. Another use case is that I select my private length here. This is my personal attribute type. And I can search online for an existing type that is already there. I search find attribute type online. Then I search and I find a fitting attribute that is already defined. I make it a subclass. And so my private length is now a child of the already defined length in this space. And so I can make use of already published libraries and I don't need to reinvent the wheel all the time.
What do we have achieved? With AML Library Spaces, you can publish your libraries and we can publish our libraries in a globally available space. This means that others can find those libraries, can explore them, can investigate them, can reuse them and can improve them. We believe that the global accessibility of digital data models is a precondition for the success and the establishment of digital data models. Reuse is key, and we believe that the ability to stepwise improve models and to publish versions by versions is key for progress.